Well, I figure it's about time to fix this tire. I tried to pump it up a while ago, and it's going down about on. I mean, it's not staying up very long at all. So I'm gonna take it off, and I may go get it fixed, or I may just buy a tube. I can see the hole here. It's got a pretty good sized hole in it. You can see I got my helper here. I don't have it jacked up right now if y'all worried about her. It's jacked up, but not off the ground. And she's gonna take off with my jack box. Don't bother the camera. Oh, push it, push it, push it. Oh, push it. Oh gosh. I'm helping. I'm helping. I'm helping. I'm helping. Oh, careful. Is that funny? No, you don't like it mic up on my hat? I had it on my shirt the other day and I lost it. So, yeah, I'm gonna stick it on my hat so I don't lose it. I'm gonna stick it on my hat. Here. All right, you need to back up now. I'm afraid it might fall. Just in case. Just in case. Oh, just in case. Yeah, well, back up. Alright, that's sturdy. That's sturdy. Alright, we got that tower off. I'm gonna go tomorrow and see about getting the patch. See if I can find that hole right beside the valve stem. You can see. Yeah, it looks like something's poked up in there. Get my figure out where the camera zooms in on this. Yeah, we'll see if we can't get that fixed tomorrow. Alright, it's been a minute since we started working on this. I think it was Thursday. I took it off. And I can't remember what we did on Friday. I was doing something Friday. I forgot that it was Labor Day weekend. So this is Tuesday of the next week. We went and got the tower fixed today. Stop, got some diesel for the tractor. Let's see if I can get this thing going here. Oh. I do remember I was worried about this would go up high enough. Definitely gonna be close. I also got the, I don't know exactly what this thing's called. I'll just call it a pin for the grader box. Get that thing fixed today. There's a few things I want to try to get done up here with the tractor. We got fuel, got the tire fixed. And, one thing, I want to get them, I got a couple, there's 3 pieces here, and I think there's a piece or 2 of wood over there that's just too hard to split that I'm not going to fool with. And I'm going to pick up and put in the brush pile. And we got that mound of dirt and a couple other little sticks and things here that I want to get pushed down there into the brush pile. Plus, I tried to do a little bit over here the other day. I pumped the, it's when I aired the tar up, and I got one little swipe through there and the tar was already half flat, so I had to stop. I'm gonna try to clean up some of that right there too. And eventually I want to get my little campfire here moved and done something with. Well, the pin didn't go as planned. It's too big. That part, the end here, is the right size, but the threaded part's too big to go into that hole. I was looking at the other one. It's got a whole lot smaller thread on it. If I can get down there and see that or not. Oh, I like to have them bigger ones in there though. But, oh well. Alright, well, we cleaned it just a little bit. It didn't do great. The grader box comes in a little more handy getting this cleaned up. You know, the front end loader's not exactly the best on that tractor. I mean, it works, and it works great for me. First, getting some of that cleaned up, the grader box would do a lot better. But we got that cleaned up and took some of that dirt out of this pile because it's pretty decent dirt. Put it over here. I'll just spread it out when I get the grader box fixed. But looks like our tower's still up, so that done good. Next time I run to town, I'll get the right pin for that grader box. Just take that one and trade around and get the other one. I did get those pieces of wood that were too knotty to split, and I went ahead and pushed that log. There was a log laying right there. I went ahead and pushed it over in there because it just had a lot of limbs and knots and things on it, and it just wasn't worth it, honestly, to cut it. Side note, we started working on this wood pile just to get it out of the way. It's surprisingly dry, seasoned, I guess you won't call it. Yeah, because it hadn't been split. I split that much of it, and we took a bunch of because it's just small stuff that I sawed off limbs and things like that and throw it over here. And but it was in really good shape already. Surprisingly, it's been pretty warm this summer, in the 90s and things. So it's kind of sitting where it gets the sun biggest majority of the day, but it was seasoned out really well. Like I said, you hold it up to your cheek. I don't have one of them gauges, and you couldn't feel no dampness in it at all. But, well, we got our tractor going. I guess that'd be it for this video. Just playing around with the tractor a little bit. Been a while since we really have used it. It's, you know, with just not a lot to do with it during the summer here at our place. Appreciate you watching. Everyone have a good one.